To make a refund, we will first click on our name in the top right corner of the screen, and then click on Account Details. In the next step, click on View Purchase History. Choose the game you want to refund and click. Now click on I would like a refund to start the refund process. And then click on I'd like to request a refund. Choose your preferred refund method. Enter the reason why you are making this refund, and leave a note. Now just click on Submit Request, and wait for Steam to respond about your refund whether it was accepted or not. Because in case you didn't know, if you played more than 2 hours of the game, or it's been more than 14 days since you purchased the game, your refund will not be accepted. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, and see you next time.